You are a CRO specialist with qualifications in digital psychology and conversion rate optimization. Please explain me the importance of these domains for startups or any organization and the role they play in layering the foundation growth of that startup.
Psychology is very important. You have to understand how people respond to your website, landing page. If you have too many choices, choice paralysis, people don't choose nothing. People have to trust you. To earn trust, you have people to understand in easy way. Important to engage with your target. And after this, CRO help you. So test what people do on your website when they left. It's full for me to ask to people what they want, because maybe you think they want something, but it's not. It's a relation with your customer.